Hi friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Pharma Job Alert. Friends, Amazon is looking for freshers candidates and these are work from home jobs. So in this video, we are going to know about the educational qualification required, the salary structure, the key skills required and the job location in details. So before that, if you are a new visitor to our YouTube channel, please subscribe and share our videos with your friends and also hit that like button. So coming to the job opportunity, so Amazon is hiring for international voice processing. So it is the job designation. And coming to the educational qualification, minimum qualification is 10 plus 2. So what is the salary structure? The salary is 2 lakh to 3 lakh per annum. So I will provide the screenshot on the screen. From there you can know more details. And coming to the key skills required, and you must be able to use laptop or desktop, and you must be know about familiar with the Windows 7 or Outlook and also Internet Explorer, and you must have good communication skills. So this job opening is customer service associate, and this is a work from home job. And if you are interested, you can apply for this job opening. So I have provided the link in the description of the video. From there you can apply for this job opening. So for more updates, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.